The Unquenchable Flame, a story of relentless pursuit of knowledge. Deep within the sprawling plains of a remote village, nestled amidst humble dwellings and fields bathed in golden sunlight, lived a young boy named Amir. Unlike others his age, Amir's dreams weren't confined to the familiar boundaries of his village. He possessed an insatiable thirst for knowledge, a yearning to explore the vast and boundless realm of education. Their village lacked even the most basic amenities, let alone access to schools and libraries. Yet, Amir's passion for learning remained undeterred. He spent hours poring over worn-out textbooks, salvaged from a traveling merchant, his imagination ignited by tales of distant lands and scientific discoveries. He sought knowledge wherever he could, learning from village elders, farmers tending their crops, and even the weathered inscription on an ancient stone monument. His relentless pursuit of learning often encountered skepticism and ridicule. Some questioned the futility of his endeavors, claiming his circumstances would always restrain him. However, Amir never wavered. He used their negativity as fuel, channeling it into a relentless determination to prove them wrong. One day, Amir stumbled upon a discarded newspaper with a captivating photograph, a majestic building adorned with pillars and overflowing with books. The city library, the caption read. A spark ignited within him, a dream taking root in his heart. From that moment, the city library became his beacon of hope, a symbol of the boundless knowledge he yearned to encounter. Driven by this newfound ambition, Amir embarked on a perilous journey to the city, a distant and unknown territory. He faced trials and tribulations, enduring hunger, exhaustion, and the harshness of the elements. Yet, his resolute spirit wouldn't be extinguished. Finally, when Amir set foot inside the magnificent library, he felt overwhelmed, a wave of awe washing over him. He was surrounded by countless books, each holding the promise of unveiling a new world, a new understanding. It was as if a universe of knowledge had opened its doors to him. Amir devoured books with an insatiable hunger, losing himself in the fascinating tales of history, science, literature, and art. He embraced every text as a treasured possession, each word unlocking doors to vast reservoirs of understanding. He spent years exploring the library's boundless treasures, his once insatiable thirst for knowledge finally finding a place to quench its thirst. He returned to his village, not as a naive dreamer but as a torchbearer of knowledge. Driven by a newfound purpose, Amir established a makeshift school under a sprawling banyan tree. It became a haven for young minds, where he shared his knowledge and ignited their own thirst for learning. The once skeptical villagers witnessed a remarkable transformation. They observed how education empowered their children, equipping them with skills and knowledge to forge a brighter future. Amir's unwavering pursuit of knowledge not only expanded his own horizons but also fostered a thriving thirst for learning within his community. His story, a testament to the unquenchable flame of knowledge, resonated far and wide. He became an inspiration, a symbol of the transformative power of education and the boundless possibilities it unlocks for those who dare to dream and pursue knowledge with unwavering resolve.